Guys, what's up? It's the Gaming Megalodon. Today I am doing something different. As you may realise, there's a piece of paper in front of me. Well, this is we're doing an origami series. If I get 20, sorry guys, I'm incredibly sorry. It's my tripod is my money box. So if you want to see this in time for Christmas, if this video gets, let's put about, on Christmas Eve, if this video gets 20 views, I'll make the Christmas tree. So yeah, I'll also teach the box, someone's name on it, and it has something in it, so I won't open it. And also, I'm going to teach you this in the video. You'll like that. Right. So we need to make a square in order for this origami. So, what we are going to do, make our square. And we're going to cut off the excess piece of paper, like this. Big shout out to Monty. He resurrected my mistake in my last video, Pokemon video. Just go check that out. I said Kyogre 140 health when I have proof of the card, which I do not know where it is. Oh, that's where it is. It's in my bed, alright. So yeah, it does have 240 health. Thanks for listening to my words. So yeah, we have our square and our rectangle. So we're going to make the frog's tongue first. So what we're going to do is fold it like this. Now we're going to fold corner to corner. So you fold it like this, and you crease the bottom, so now you have a V. This was designed by Jeremy Shaver, and now you're going to fold this bit up and make it into a W. So you have this bit, and you're going to fold the other bit up to make it into a quadrille, which is 2 W's. Now we need to unfold it. And we have this. We have loads of lines looking like this. So we're going to fold like this. We're going to fold one like this, then one the other way. So it's going to be like this all the way up. So folding each one the opposite way. On this. So you have this here. Now you're going to do this, right? Going to bunch them all up together, because you should have made those folds. Like this. So your fold's already pre-made. And now you're going to fold it in half, like this. And now I think you should have, wait a minute, yeah, you now have, cardstock works better if you're American. If you're in England where I am, you say card, so, wait a minute. So yeah, your folds need to be really good. Like this. So you have this, and then it will jump out at you. There's your frog's tongue. Now let's make the origami crane. So that's what we're making. So we have this. I'm going to unfold, fold it the other diagonal. Like this. So because there's the camera in the front, so I'm not going to make the neatest folds. Like this. So now we're going to fold it down to this edge. Won't be the neatest because I never did the neatest cut. Do the same to this edge. So now you should have a plus and an X in your paper. Pause the video now. Okay, right. Now you're going to fold it over like this. You can take this flap and tuck it in like this. Like that. So as you can see, I'll show you from the top. You will open this bit up, push it like that. So you have this, a square. Now you're going to take one of these flaps. You're going to do it to both sides, so like this. And you get this. Do it to the other side. Sorry if it's hard because my camera placing wasn't the best, so you have like a double-sided kite. Now I'm going to take this flap and fold it down where those lines are like this. So you fold where these are, yes, and fold it the other way. So now you have this. You're going to open your flaps and you're going to do something called the panel fold. So you're going to fold this edge up onto that crease like this. So that crease that we just made. So right, I might need to get a better view of this. Don't know how I am without getting my face in it. So, ooh, this is gonna be that'll be a better view, wouldn't it? So you do how to do this. So there's a better angle. Anyway, so you're gonna open the flaps, and you're gonna fold this bit up like this. There we go. Oh god. Oh no. That's a fail without getting my face in. There we go. I'm not allowed to have my face on YouTube. Does make sense. So now you have what is called the bird base. Now you can either make a flapping bird or a crane. I'm going to make both. I'm going to make the flapping bird first, considering it's easier. So for the flapping bird, you're going to open this. Wait. Yeah, you're going to open one side. Fold that up like this. Open this side. Fold it up like that. So you have this, a triangle. Now you're going to pull these flaps out like this. Right, so like this. It's pretty cool. Now you're going to fold, open this flap up and fold the head. It can be any side you want. It's sort of hard to do it when you're looking at a camera, see what you're doing. So you have this. Now you're going to fold the wings like this. So now, origami, flapping bird. And if it feels like it's going to rip, open up the tail, do that, and open up the chest and do that. That should just be fine. Now if you want a crane, it's, okay right, if you, oops, that was probably not the wisest idea to put it like that. But yeah, that's your flapping bird. If you want to keep this, I suggest you click off of the video now. For the one that doesn't flap, you're going to watch now. So you're going to take this apart, like this. Like, as I just said. So you still have the panel fold. Yes. So you have a panel fold. And what you're going to do now is, this is for the flapping bird. If you want to keep the flapping bird, you should have already been clicked off. So you do this to both sides. Now 5 minutes left, so probably get it in. Now that you have this to both sides, you're going to open up. Do the same thing with the bird, but you just added in some extra folds. Doesn't make it harder or anything, just makes it a little bit more time consuming. Okay, that could be a 0, this could be a 10. The thing is, this one looks much nicer, and it also doesn't flap. So if this flaps, it'd be amazing. So yeah, that's your crane. This one doesn't flap, as you can see. So if you want the flapping one, I suggest you skip back and watch it again so you unfold this. But that's the push crane, which is made the same way but has some extra folds which cancels the flapping. And to make a little stand for it, you can fold the back of it out like this. So you get a little stand of it like that. So you have this. That's your origami crane. Yeah. So remember, if you want to see this video needs to get 20, I've changed my mind to 23 views, 4 likes, and I'll tell you something, it's a modular origami, so you have so this is also made out of loads of little pieces, so if you don't like modular origamis, this is not the one for you, because if you don't like modular origamis, that's going to be really frustrating for you. It's also not the easiest one to make. And if you want this origami gift box, this one's from my mum. You can open it up. She's always losing her phone. Just keep it in this. So mum, if you're watching this, you know your present. So yeah, if you want to make that box, leave a comment down below what you want to see next. It can be as hard as you want. So yeah, and if you enjoy making these frog's tongues, that's what you do with the access piece of paper. You just make the frog's tongues. So now you can go to school like, I made a crane. Oh, I can fold it into a flapping bird and so. Hope you guys liked. Oh, poke myself in the eye. So yeah, leave a like, subscribe for more if you want this to be a series. Link, I'll say in the comment section below what you want. If it gets 23 likes, make this a modular origami Christmas tree. It's just basically the same thing over and over again. I'll only show one, and then, so yeah, you want it. So hope to see you next time. Bye.